Hello, thanks again for watching. So this is just gonna be another renovation update if you've been following. So I think this is number 5. This is the kitchen. There's a microwave that's been mounted now that isn't hooked up yet, but eventually we'll have a hood fan that goes to over there. Yeah, so that's I started making food that's not reno related. If you're wondering, it's a lot of vegetables and some toast with cheese and stuff. Anyways, what else? Oh, I painted the insides of all the cupboards, so you can't actually see any of that at the moment. I'm not going to open them all. Just believe me that they're painted inside. And a bit of the pipes or whatever. This door is being painted, so that's why that's there. I think that's more or less the same. Other things have slightly moved, but they're all things everywhere. What else? This hallway got painted the first 1.5 coats. Except for so you can like see. Yeah, what the other color was sort of over there. Slightly different beige, and mostly exciting is that this bathroom is now done. So there's like an actual like sink with water that comes from the sink and like a full working shower and toilet. So that's all done, and the tiles are all done. So there's just like the trim in the bathroom that needs to be done at the bottom by the floor. And I think this is mostly the same. This bedroom, I did some painting and taping up there, but not much. And I put that ladder there, so it looks like I'm working on something. Yeah, but it pretty much stopped. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. The door obviously needs to go back on the bathroom, so there's no door right now, which is fun. But it's only me here most of the time, so it doesn't really matter. It's just sort of like, why can't I? Oh yeah, there's nothing to close. Yeah, so that's the update. Has anything happened outside? I think we moved a plant. There's a plant there now. And then, oh, look at all their nice things. And then we have these 4 plants, 5, and that one that's gonna go apparently. Yeah. So that's pretty much the update. Peace.